Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. Mock epic. A mock epic is a long narrative poem written in a mock heroic style that is intended to be humorous. Mock epic is a parody of epic style or manner of writing that treats trivial subjects seriously. It flourished in 17th and early 18th century England. John Dryden is one of the earliest poets who popularized this genre with Mac Flecknoe published in 1682. In 1712, Alexander Pope brilliantly wrote a mock epic, The Rape of the Lock, that compares the stealing of a lock of hair to the kidnapping of Helen of Troy as a Trojan invasion. Mock epics are ridicule elevated subjects handled in a trivial manner or a low subject being treated with epic poise. A fundamental feature of all mock epics is satire. The irony, exaggeration, and sarcasm are also used generously to achieve a satiric effect. At its peak, this form was used by the writers to satirize contemporary literature and society in general. Thanks for watching.